Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be working on this 2017 Honda Accord. It has a crown right here, a dent up here, and another one over here. We're going to use the paintless dent removal to massage these dents back out to its original shape. Stay tuned. So I'm going to start off by working this crown right here. You can see it over here. I'm going to be working this crown. I'm going to be using leather tip to knock that down. So now we're going to come back where the crown was and knock out those little lows, push them out to get it all flat. I'm going to be using this interchangeable tip, and it's plastic. You can see, get all those little lows. So I got this dent out already. I'm gonna start working on this one up here. Start pushing it out. So I'm gonna start it off with this plastic tip again, and I may finish it with it too. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm on the last dent. I'm going to be working on this sharp dent right here. I'm still going to be using the plastic tip. I'm going to start it off with that and see how it goes. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so we got all the dents out, got this down, got this dent out, and this sharp dent over here. I'm gonna get up there and show you how it came out.